bucket. Carolina Tractor Worx, Wallace, South Carolina. We switched over to the stump bucket an hour or so ago, 2 hours ago. Seems to be having more luck with getting them up faster. And all. So I'm gonna sit back and let y'all enjoy the show. It's about 1 something here in Wallace, South Carolina. But I'll try to explain things. Yeah, he's knocking down an old building or something's in their old block building and not trying to knock it down now, as well as get trees and stuff up that growed up in it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna have to fire the cameraman. The cameraman ain't doing a good job here. We're gonna have to fire him. He did good. He did real good. It's Bucky with Carolina Tractor Works. We in Wallace, South Kakalaki on a job that we gonna probably not get to come back to until about Tuesday or Wednesday of next week because of the rain, and I got another job to go do Monday. I got to build a pad for a job for a mobile home down in Wallace, down in Winsboro, South Kakalaki. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This one here might be Sunday or Monday of next week before y'all see it, but please give a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, share them with your friends, and I appreciate all your donations and anything you want to do to help support the channel. Don't matter, whatever you want to do, even a good comment, subscribing to the channel, that'll be a big help. Show you support the best way you can. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, and hope to see you out here somewhere soon. Be Bucky, Carolina Tractor Works, Wallace, South Kakalaki. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.